service. For the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Prince George's, Southeast Hartford and Southern Baltimore, and the following counties, in Virginia, Arlington Falls Church and Alexandria, Eastern Loudoun, Fairfax and Prince William, Manassas and Manassas Park. Winter storm warning in effect from 3 a.m. Thursday to 6 a.m. Friday. Heavy snow along with sleet and freezing rain. Total snow accumulations around 3 to 6 inches with ice accumulation around 1 to a quarter inch. The areas affected include the Washington and Baltimore metropolitan areas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 3 a.m. Thursday to 6 a.m. Friday. Snow will begin between 3 and 5 a.m. Snow will change to a mixture of sleet and freezing rain during the late morning and early afternoon hours. Impacts, power outages, and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details: snow Thursday morning will be heavy at times with snowfall rates around 1 to 2 inches per hour possible, along with visibility reduced to around 1/4 mile at time. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. When venturing outside, watch your first few steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury. This is the NOAA Weather Radio.